Hi guys, welcome to this video about what's the easiest way to add an end screen on your videos on YouTube. So this is quite a lot of work if you use the new app or the old app. I mean, there's the old YouTube studio and there's the new studio. Here we have the new studio. It's a little bit easier. So they put, when you go to the editor on a video and you have this link here, and then you can select what to do. At least you have some actually some templates. You can use something and then put apply and adjust a little bit of things, but it's still a lot of work. And sometimes it says it's not working, sometimes it says it's working. So it's a lot of pain, especially when you have to do it for a lot of videos, because when I started I had only the old editor. Now it's a new editor. It's a little bit easier, but still, I mean, of course they have added this with the template, but still I usually forget or I hesitate to do the work. It's a lot of work. And now I have, from my 1000 videos, I have about at least 800 or so without any end screen, and I was always looking for something to add these end screens really easy and fast and without a lot of work. And there is a solution out there right now. I mean, I think it has been on the market since quite some time, but I haven't been aware of that. There's the YouTube or the TubeBuddy. I've read about that many times, but I always was hesitating to use that, and I knew that some of the programs will cost, and yeah, there are free solutions, but you can add more to it with a Pro or Star or Legend account. And I have found out that one of the options is bulk end video. And here you see all the bulk processing tools, bulk demonetization, bulk end screens, playlist, cards, and so on and so on. Unfortunately, it's only available with Star and Legend, but anyway, I mean, this is definitely worth the money. I mean, if you want to do it, I mean, if you're stuck in the same situation like me, if you have already 1000 videos and you want to do it once, I mean, you can just subscribe to the store monthly. You can do this monthly and yeah, pay 1 month $20, do the update for the 1000 videos, and then do some other optimization and so on and so on, and you then can unsubscribe. So it's basically $20. You don't have to pay for a whole year. So yeah, that's a really good thing, and I'm showing you now how to do that, how easy it is. So when we are on the normal YouTube studio, that's not the beta, that's still the old thing, which I still like way more. When you when you buy the subscription from TubeBuddy, you will get a few more buttons, as you can see them here. And here there's a bulk button, which you don't have if you don't have the TubeBuddy. So here we can find that end screen and we can update. So how this works is, sorry, that was wrong, I have to start over again. Bulk, and yeah, of course we start with the copy of the end screen. Copies, that's the thing. I have actually just one video with template. So by the way, if you don't know how to add a template, it's important. Otherwise, if you don't have a template, you can't work with that. So you have to go to the editor and then go to end screen, and here at the bottom you have there's a field where you can set these videos an end screen template, and you give a name, and when you change the name it will say it has been updated as a template. So there's no save button for that. So again, back to the bulk update, bulk, we copy, then we select the video with the template. I have actually just one video with template. If you don't see that, if you know that you have a template and it's not working, start over again. Sometimes the TubeBuddy, I mean, it's working really good, but sometimes it has some problems. If it doesn't work, refresh your screen, start from scratch. Usually it works after that. So we click on this video, which we want to use to copy to the other videos. Then we continue and we select the items which we want. We can select 1 or 0 or 1 or both of them from the template, then go to continue, and I want to see all of my videos. I can select here, of course, which I want. I want to see all my videos, and then he is searching for them. So it took the thing about 30 seconds to find all the videos. I can select all. And now it's selected 1166 videos, but these contains also videos where I already have end screen, so I can continue. It doesn't apply. And now the good thing is I can skip videos that already have an end screen element. Some of my videos have specific end screen elements which I don't want to override. Okay, so that's important to keep them. And yeah, of course I can also say delete all existing end screens. So you have some different options, and I say, yeah, okay, well, I want to bulk copy the 2 end screens to 1166 videos. So it tells you really what it's doing. And now it's starting, and as you see, it takes a lot of time. You can go easily to have a large coffee break or something like that. I mean, you can keep working on other tabs, but yeah, this is a really awesome thing. Imagine how much time it will need to do that. So that's crazy. It would have taken me days or weeks, rather weeks, to do that. This is absolutely crazy. If I think I want to do it in a different way, how to change it manually with 1200 videos or something like that. I mean, this is really an awesome thing, and it's definitely worth the $20. And I think when you try the first months, you will find out that you want to keep going with this subscription, because it helps you so much. Because I mean, YouTube is a nice thing, but it's definitely lacks of some features, and the TubeBuddy is such a good extension to that. This is really awesome, and I will put down the link into the description to the TubeBuddy, so you can click on it and go from there right now, so you don't have to find the link yeah, where it is. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.